I'm Jeff Salvino with the Daily Salvo. According to the Commerce Department, new home construction starts fell 9.3% in June. However, what's not falling is the level of satisfaction that families experience when they choose to sell their existing home with Diane Cardano. That's right, month by month, Diane Cardano's clients continue to thrive. Because Diane understands how to attract qualified buyers willing to pay list price or higher for your home in just 26 days. So don't settle for less when Cardano Realtors can help home sellers make settlement for more. To learn how Diane Cardano can help you, just call 215-576-8666. That's 215-576-8666.